Why do you remember certain ads, TikToks, or lessons, while others fade instantly? It's not magic. It's science, and you can learn it. In their book, Made to Stick, Chip and Dan Heath reveal why some ideas just stick. The best lesson? Simplicity, but not the dumb-it-down kind. Think laser focus. It's about finding the core of your idea and making it crystal clear. The Heath brothers call it the success framework. Simple, unexpected, concrete, credible, emotional stories. Here's the cheat code. Don't overload with info. Instead ask, what's the one thing I want people to remember? Next, surprise them. Throw in an unexpected twist or fact. Make it real and relatable with vivid details. Ditch the fluff. Use stats, experts, or real-life proof to build trust. But here's what really moves people: emotion. Connect your idea to what people care about. And when you wrap your message in a story, it's 10 times stickier. So whether you're studying, presenting, or just want to be a better communicator, remember, simplicity isn't boring. It's powerful. Craft your ideas with success and watch them spread.